You like swing tag?
Like this. Huh? Yeah.
You're it. You're it.
Super Ethan style.
It's a beautiful day today. See a lot of people here at the park, but it's a nature park, so kind of get your own space. There's a lake back there. There's ducks and geese. Feed the birds. It's a long nature walk back to the parking lot. There's picnic tables and barbecue pits and gazebos, and there's a dock you can walk out onto the lake in. And they got this little old playground. Another picnic table over there. Good little place to bring the kids, get some fresh air, and Ethan's really enjoying it right now. So that's good. I'm glad for him. You having fun, Ethan?
Yeah. I'm doing a Super Ethan style.
Super Ethan style. Say bye.
It's good that this park's free.
It's good that the park is free. You're right.